ExpertRec helps you add a search bar to your Thinkific site, which should help your prospective students find the courses suited for them and help existing students find the right content within the course. To begin, go to admin section of a Thinkific site, select the apps section, click on visit the App Store. Once inside the App Store, you can go ahead and search for ExpertRec and then press enter. Once you see the ExpertRec Smart Search, click on it. It will be on the Thinkific app page. Go ahead and click on install. Scroll down and click on accept and install. The installation might take a few moments to complete. Once it's there, you will be on the ExpertRec dashboard. You will be able to see the index status, where it will show the number of courses that has been indexed, and you'll also be able to see the subscription status. So since just install, you will see it 14 days left in trial. And you can also click on go to demo to see the search in action on a test site. The indexing might take a few moments to complete depending on the number of courses which you have. Go to your Thinkific site, refresh the page, you'll be able to see the search bar. You can go ahead and make your searches. By default, it should show the filter of content type and the sort by. Once the search is live on your site, now let's go and see how we can do some customizations on the UI. To do that, you can go ahead and go to UI customizations, select the custom CSS editor. This might be a little advanced for some users. In the next releases of the plugin, we'll have a much simpler UI control to change the color and the look and feel of the search bar. So if you want to say, for example, the default color is black, so we want to change to our logo color, which is orange. So first of all, we need to know which color is this. To do that, we can go ahead and find some great plugins, free plugins, which are available online on the Chrome web store. We find a color, we go ahead and copy the color code. Then for example, we want to change the color which shows up here black, so we want to change the button color of the mic icon and the button color of the magnifying glass. To make it easier, both the CSS for the mic icon and the search button are grouped together. So if you want to make changes at once to both of those, we can do it from here. So I want to change the color from black to the one which we had selected earlier. We go ahead and paste that. Please do not forget to add the hash symbol. Once we go ahead and do that, we can go ahead and click on update. Once it's updated successfully, we can go ahead onto our site and refresh the page. Our changes have reflected successfully. Similarly, we can go ahead and change the color of this title, the description and the category from here. So you can change the color of the category, the description and the title. Similarly, if we wish to change the color of the search bar which appears on the results page, the SERP page, we can go ahead and make those changes from here. So we go ahead and find CSS section for the search results page. So here the voice button and the search button are separated. We can go ahead and just change the hex code. Once we do that, we can go ahead and click on update. Once it's updated, we go ahead and just refresh the page. You can see the color has changed. Similarly, the custom CSS editor gives you a wide variety of options to change the search bar as per your liking. You can even write your own custom code and make changes accordingly. For example, if you do not want a rounded corner, if you want a square corner, we can just go ahead and look for the search. We can go ahead and look for the custom CSS for the search box, and we see that for the search bar we have a border radius of 20 pixel, and for the search button it's a border radius of 20 pixel, both of which are changing the corners of the search box. So the 20 pixels 0 0 20 pixel are mapped to the top left corner, the top right corner, the bottom right corner, and the bottom left corner. For example, if you do not want the border radius, we just go ahead and comment it out, or you can go ahead and remove it out. Remove the border radius. We click on update. Once we refresh the page, we can see the search bar now has the default corners. Similarly, you can go ahead and change or add selectors of your choice and make changes accordingly.